Hi, how are you? This is Mr. Harry Pooter. I just want to talk about this great item. This is called the Pooter, and I got it from Jack Vale. Alright, it's very fun, but I see a lot of people complaining that it gets holes in it, and it does. But you could patch it up by putting a bike patch on it. And since I'm an avid biker, I'll show you. Here's another hole that just formed on it. Now this thing is expensive. It's $9 plus $4 or $5 shipping. So it really should be made with some better rubber. And I've noticed that there's no replies to it. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. What I do is I carry a puncture kit from work, and we'll try to do this manually. Inshallah. First thing I do is I try to rough up the part that I'm going to patch. Part that I'm going to patch this week because we do a lot of pooting. And then I take a patch, preferably a big one for this. These are the patches. You can get these at any 99-cent store. And then take the glue. Probably a better thing to do, I would imagine, cut a lot of glue. Probably the best thing to do, I'm not sure, I'm going to try it, is to get shoe glue, the stuff you repair your what do you call it with? Your sneakers. If you're not a rich white kid from the suburbs that can't afford to always buy a new pair of shoes every time they rip. You gotta hold it on there. It's a little sloppy, but the stuff comes right off your fingers. This is really a great toy. We have a lot of fun with it. But it's really not well made. I mean, for $9, honestly, Jack, you should really invest in some better rubber, with all due respect. Or work on it a little more. Because I see a lot of people complaining. And this one broke like the first week, because if you put pressure on it, when you squeeze it, it could pop the rubber. So until you learn how to poot properly, you might have a hole. Okay, this one's pretty good. Just want to go around the edges one more time. By the way, Jack, no pun intended, but since you're not responding to the emails, we have to do it. It is a great invention, but you know, not all of us are so rich that we can afford to buy a $9 toy that's gonna rip in a week. Now you want this to dry real well before you poot. See, this is the one I did previously. I gotta repatch it because it opens up sometimes here. This is probably a real boring video, but it saves you a lot of time. Right? And a lot of money. Inshallah. Okay, so this one is patched and it's good to go for this week, and we'll see if I can afford next week to buy another Pooter. Hopefully it's been improved. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.